Good afternoon, everyone. This is Caroline Brown, the Product Program Manager with FLUKE Networks. I'm here with Mark Mullins today, our Marketing Manager. Hey Mark, what are you going to show us today?
I'm going to show you something that everybody loves to see, and that's dirty fiber, and how do you get it clean.
Dirty fiber.
So now, if you're familiar with fiber optics, you know that the fiber optic cable that's inside this connector is very, very tiny, smaller than the width of a human hair. In fact, you probably can't even see it on this video. Before you connect it, you want to make sure it's clean, because these very, very tiny fiber optic cables, if they're blocked by any sort of dust or dirt or any other contamination, the data won't go through, or maybe it'll go through but it'll be intermittent and you'll have a problem with your network connection. So what I'm going to do is show you how you determine whether or not it's clean. Now most people think that if it's clean, if I wipe it on a shirt or something, it's going to be good, or I just took it out of the bag and it's brand new. Is it clean? Well, let's find out. What I've got here is a fiber optic inspection camera, and I just plug this into here, and we look over there on the display, and we'll see not looking so great. Now you could try something like wiping it on your shirt, see if that maybe makes it better. Well, it got a little better, but I'd say there's still some contamination on there. So I'm going to use this quick clean pen. Just give it a couple of shots with that, and that'll remove most dust, dirt, anything else you might want to deal with. And now I've got myself a nice, clean fiber optic connection there. And now I know it'll transmit data. If you want to learn more about fiber optic cleaning and inspection, you can do that at www.flukenetworks.com.